Well, here we are for another smoky evening in the East Kootenays. It's not getting fuel, so I put fuel in it. Hopefully that works. If not, then I got a problem because the gas gauge wasn't reading. So hopefully we'll get fuel coming within a quick minute here. I gotta crack the injectors. I'm just gonna open the bastards right up. Why not? Got the camera set up here. Film's that confident it's gonna start. Let's see.
Two hours later. One eternity later.
It's been so smoky around here lately. Dry, no rain, it's hot. The bush has been shut down. You can't go anywhere. You can't even hike in the damn bush without getting a ticket. Check out the sun. Look how smoky it is. I'm gonna go rcing, but I kinda gotta watch what I do there too because maybe I get in shit for doing that. So I'm gonna go to a construction site in Clinton.
The Hilux don't want to go again.
What's up, dude? What? Oh, no, it's out of gas. Diesel. It's diesel. Oh my god. I gotta watch where I'm going. Look at this. Look at all the stuff we get to play in. This is gonna be sweet. And they got half of Cranbrook going up all the way there. Down to there. Big machines. Big excavators. Nice. Oh gosh.
You need a little momentum for
Oh yeah. Oh, small tires. They got big balloons. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get up here.
it. I don't think I can.
I just see a peak at the top. Cool beans. Oh god. That's a great tire. Clinton, tell us about your truck.
Huh?
Tell us about it. What is it?
It's a mini-me of my full size.
Yeah, I guess so, eh? I'm flipping.
I flip.
I got you.
That worked.
That didn't turn out right. You just found a sick hill climb.
Come on.
Oh no, what is that?
Nice mud on the windshield.
It is, yeah. Look, he's doing the walk of shame. He's running. Usually that's me. My shit always breaks every time I'm out. Oh, what is that?
Yeah, it's because they're not constantly under tension anymore.
Right. Check that out. Nice little hill climb. Let's see if I can get up here.
Holy, you've got power.
Like, look at this. This is from the RCs. Look how dusty it gets. I'm coming. Did I mention we're in the middle of a construction site? Status report, it's fucked. No? I built it. I gotta get out of here. Take the camera. We're broken. Oh yeah. Damn it, Clinton. Well, we're broken. Well, I'm broken.
You're broken.
Oh yeah? Come check it out. I got that awning. Just comes out, pops out about to there. Yeah, I have to open it to actually fully open it. But it's insulated on the inside. There's lights all the way around in the eaves. Well, that was pretty cool. There's a few guys there questioning about the truck and the cabin. They liked it. Pretty cool. Nice to see guys just come up and show their appreciation or something like that. Something that's different, you know. That's what I like to be. I like to be different, you know. Stick out from the crowd. But now that that's over, I want a coffee. And also, when I was talking to those guys, I noticed a couple things going on with the cabin that I should definitely address before it gets too late and I lose my awning.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Can I get a medium double, please?
Medium double, anything else?
That's all.
Alright, I'll be total up at the window.
Thank you.